Hello everyone, my name is Paul Steinmetz and I'm the CEO of Endlessrise, and I wanted to take a few moments to give you a formal introduction and a warm welcoming to working with our company. And I wanted to let you get to know us a little bit more on a personal level, and for you to know who's behind the company, who owns the company, and why it is that we have the kind of passion that we have to be in this industry and build the services that you're going to be utilizing. Now, myself and Leanne Roman started out in Puerto Rico 5 years ago, and when we were in Puerto Rico, we put together a small firm that was servicing clients, and so we were just like you in your shoes, trying to get our next client, trying to get our next design gig, but we didn't want to have the in-house team to take care of that. So what we did is we went out and tried to find a vendor out of India, because there wasn't a reseller structure established 5 years ago. And when we went to go find people in India, we probably sent out 30, 40, maybe even 50 proposals to different companies with the type of services that we were looking for. And we found a couple that we did business with. And we built up not a lot of clients, maybe 5, 10 clients, but that was everything that we had at the time. And when we had these clients and they were being serviced, the services and the experience that we had with our current vendor was a real nightmare. We switched vendors 3 different times. We lost the majority of our clients that we were brought on because at that point in time, because there was not some sort of a reseller or a proper outsource structure put in place, we were literally running the same services that firm overseas ran for their direct clients, and it wasn't pretty. So we got to the point to where we realized, after looking around so much and switching several different vendors, that what we were looking for did not exist in this world at that point in time. And we identified a need, and we decided to restructure what we were going to do, and we were so passionate about making sure that what had happened to us didn't happen to other people that we up and left Puerto Rico and we came to the Philippines to set up and do business. I mean, this was myself and my business partner, Leanne Roman. And coming to the Philippines was really a big change for us, because I'm from a small town in Holcomb, Kansas. My family, didn't travel a whole lot, especially didn't travel international much. Leanne comes from Puerto Rico, but she grew up in Texas as well as Florida and had never lived outside of the United States. So it was a big deal for us to come over to the Philippines and get set up. And whenever we got over here, we were very grateful that we chose the Philippines, because the culture is very, very warm-spirited. The ties with the United States are great. Setting up business wasn't the easiest, but our employee pool and the talent that's over here was absolutely phenomenal, and that's the main reason why we came here. So once we got set up and we got established, we were really able to start making some serious traction, because the services that we were offering had our passion behind it, because we've been in your shoes before. And what's always stuck with myself and Leanne is that feeling of pending doom, because our provider could not support the services that we needed, and we lost our clients, and we were pending losing our livelihood because our outsource could not support us. I mean, it was horrible. They would even go offline and disappear and then come back. And these were companies that we thought were decent size that were supporting our back end. So anyhow, as we started to grow and grow, we learned a lot being over here. We learned a lot more about the culture. We learned a lot more about running operations over here, and everything from the internet lines to the infrastructure of the IT that we were building. Currently, we're at 280 employees, give or take. We offer our SEO, PPC, online reputation management, social media optimization, web design services, and quite a few a la carte services. And we have our dashboard technologies. On top of that, we're located in Makati, Manila, Philippines. We're right in the middle of the central business district, and we run off of dual fiber internet lines, and we have power redundancy, as well as all of our hardware and desks is the top of the line that we can get. And we really worked hard, and in the next video I'm going to do right after this one, I'm going to do a walkthrough of the facility so that you can see what kind of a facility we put together for our employees to come to work in. It's important for myself as the president of the company to know that our employees come to a professional working environment. I mean, that's a big reason why you're not going to Odesk or get a freelancer. You want the workers to come to work in a very professional work atmosphere. And we have that. We're in a very nice building. We're in a high rise. We're on the 31st and 32nd floor, and the facility is very nice. We offer HMO, health insurance benefits to our employees who have been here long enough. We have vacation leave for them. We have team trainings and company parties, and we really strive hard to offer intercompany career opportunities. So instead of maybe staffing this position from someone outside of the company, we always try to recruit from within and promote up, and then bring in the entry-level positions from outside of the company so that we keep the employees motivated for career growth. Also, we try very hard to pull together the entire company and pull our resources together so that we continually evolve, so that those questions or those issues or those complaints that come through customer support get funneled through and eventually go through product development if need be, and cycle back through to the services so that we're impacting and changing the fundamental root of the issues that are surfacing from within the company. So we try very, very hard not only to provide you the best services that we possibly can, but to make sure that our employees are happy, because at the end of the day, at a 280-man operation, it's the people that matter. Yes, we have our technologies, yes, we have our dashboard, but it's these 280 employees out there in the office that are running all of the operations, and if they're not happy, then services aren't good. Now, in terms of our partnership and how we work together, I wanted to give a brief talk about our mission statement to you. Given that we've been in your shoes before, it's very important to us that, one, we never put you in the shoes that we were in before whenever our back end had failed us so horribly multiple times. And two, we take pride in our primary mission is making sure that we are able to help you grow your business and for your business to become as successful as humanly possible, and to give you all the tools that you have to do that. Of course, the services need to be there, but let's assume that the services are there. Okay, the technologies for the communication and the reporting and the tracking and all of that need to be there. That's there. We built it, and it's free for you to utilize. Also, what needs to be there is our help in educating you, helping you know some of the latest trends to be able to generate leads, close sales, and run your business and structure your business to a higher and higher degree of success. And we have weekly webinars now that you can attend. I'm pulling in other agencies that are doing well, that want to support other people to, one, help us grow bigger, which we build better technologies and higher level people when we're making more money. And we also want to be pulling in other people, and they want to participate because they understand that if I'm an agency working for us, that I will come in and help other people to perform. And then other people will come in and help me to perform. So it's not even just that we're working and very, very loyal to our partnership that we have to you, which is a handshake saying that we're going to run this back end for you so that you can run your front end. And whenever you do well with your clients and your sales, and we perform in the services and you get your client retention, that is also our sales. You're like a remote sales team for us, and we have a very strong partnership that we take seriously. But to help everyone, we try to extend Endlessrise beyond just our partnership from us directly to you, and to do what we can to utilize the wealth of knowledge that we have, which is this agency and that one and that one and that one that's using us, that's doing very well, that has found a lot of secret recipes to how they do what they do, and they do it well. And not that I'm ever going to come out to you and disclose his secret or his secret. We're not open to the public. We're white label only. We understand confidentiality very well. But for the people that do want to step up and volunteer and come to the table and start sharing their story and their secrets and motivating you to go out there and produce the sales and manage the team, and letting you know how it is that they project manage with us, how it is that they structure their sales team, how it is that they like to use this sales reporting tool, or how it is that they are able to retain their clients more because they offer this type of reporting as well as this one. So we are on a mission to create more more than just a partnership between you and us, but to provide to you a collective wealth of knowledge from a lot of different people that work from us, so that we're not just an individual outsourced entity that you push services to, but as a team collectively, even beyond us, we all work together for the greater success of all of us. And that's what we're really about over here at Endlessrise. So I hope that our services work out very well for you, and I hope that you enjoy working with the dashboard and you will make it through your tutorial videos and contact our support. And I wanted to make sure that you know that I have an open door for anyone that ever wants to get a hold of me. My email address is very simple. It's paul@endlessrise.com. My Skype ID is very simple. It's Endlessrise. If you're ever having any issues that you feel like need to be escalated to me, or if you ever want to come directly to me and say, Paul, I think that I found a better way that you should be doing this. I think that I have some feedback on how you, as my team, could be performing better and could be doing something a little bit better. Feel more than free to get a hold of me, schedule a meeting with me if you'd like to, and we'll have a chat. My door is wide open. So I'd like to give a cheers to our success in working together, and I'd like to give you a warm welcome to working with Endlessrise.